Yo, what's going on there, YouTube? So, I'm tearing down the Grizzly 350. Tearing it down, every nut and bolt. I'm going to respray the frame, I think. Just tidy it up a bit. I've got to get a few parts for it. Like this part. Some kind of CDI unit, not sure. But it's burnt out and cracked and bubbled, and yeah, it was smoking. So I've got to get that fixed. Yeah, got the plastics up here. Can't really see them. Oh yeah, there you go. I'll polish them up. See if I can get them looking nice. Paint the bar work. Clean the tank out. It really smells like I've got fuel in here at the moment. By the way, I'm in the new workshop. Got to get a bit of lighting sorted. Got the new go-kart engine up there. Go-kart's tucked down here at the moment. Got a bit of work to do yet, get this garage set up. I want to get a nice steel bench and a vise down the back down there. For all in good time. Only just moved in, so new tools and shit. Yeah, the Grizzly's getting torn down, resprayed, some new parts and put back together. Cleaned up at the same time. So yeah, look forward to it. Some more videos of it.